Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 17 July. We'll start with today's highlight. The well-marked low pressure area weakened into a low pressure area over West Bengal and neighborhood. Under its influence, isolated extremely heavy rainfall likely over Chhattisgarh and heavy to very heavy rainfall over Odisha on today. Apart from that, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over northeast India, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Western Himalaya region during next 7 days. Isolated extremely heavy rainfall also likely over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 18th and 19th. Then subdued rainfall activity likely to continue over West Central and South Peninsular India during next 7 days and over plains of Northwest India during next 3 days. Observed weather during past 24 hours, exceptionally heavy rainfall has been reported from Chhattisgarh. Extremely heavy rainfall has been reported from Odisha and coastal Karnataka. Very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 12 to 20 centimeter, is also reported from Uttarakhand, Goa, interior Karnataka and Kerala. Heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 7 to 11 centimeter, is reported from East Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Telangana, Meghalaya and Manipur. Thunderstorm accompanied with squally or gusty wind speeds with speeds reaching up to 40 to 60 km per hour is also reported from many parts of the country. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. The low pressure area over North Odisha and adjoining Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal now lies over Gangetic West Bengal and adjoining Jharkhand and North Odisha at 8:30 hours IST of today. The associated cyclonic circulation extends up to 5.8 km above mean sea level, and this system is likely to weaken gradually during next 24 hours. Then monsoon trough is also north of its normal position and extends up to 0.9 km above mean sea level. Then there is a fresh western disturbance seen as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and neighborhood. Apart from that, there are a few cyclonic circulations, upper air cyclonic circulation, one over North Haryana, another over southwest Rajasthan neighborhood, and another over northeast Assam and neighborhood. And there is a trough from North Lakshadweep area to southwest of Bengal. Now we'll see the sub-division wise weather warning for day 1, that is for today. Red warning is issued for Chhattisgarh today, where heavy to very heavy rainfall at few places and extremely heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places is forecasted today. That's why red warning is issued. Apart from that, orange warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall is given for Odisha, sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, also over Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, and also over Uttarakhand, and over South India it is over coastal Karnataka and South interior Karnataka. All these places heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over isolated places. That's why orange warning is issued. Yellow warning for heavy rainfall is issued for Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, and also over Kerala and Konkan and Goa coast, Madhya Maharashtra, North interior Karnataka, Marathwada, Vidarbha, and also over Telangana today, along with East Uttar Pradesh. All these places yellow warning for heavy rainfall. Apart from that, hot and humid weather is forecasted for the plains of northwest India. That will continue for the next 2 days. These places as Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and also our southern peninsula region, especially the east coast region such as coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu. Hot and humid weather warning is given for that. Apart from that, central India and eastern India and also over Jammu and Kashmir, thunderstorm warning is given for today. Now for day 2, Chhattisgarh orange, only heavy to very heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places is forecasted. But over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, red warning is issued. That is for heavy to very heavy rainfall at few places and extremely heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places, which will be given for day 2 and day 3. Red warning for these 2 days for sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Apart from that, for day 2, Arunachal Pradesh is also given red warning. There it is very heavy rainfall at few places. That's why red warning is issued there. Orange warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall is also given continuous for the Uttarakhand and also Assam and Meghalaya. Apart from that, heavy rainfall warning continues for Himachal Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and over South India, Kerala, coastal Karnataka, South interior Karnataka, North interior Karnataka, and then thunderstorm warning over South India with along with heavy squally wind speeds, and also over Jammu Kashmir and also Jharkhand. All these places yellow warning is issued. Hot and humid weather told earlier continue for day 2 also for Punjab and Haryana. For day 3, red warning continues for sub-Himalayan West Bengal and also for Sikkim for extremely heavy rainfall. Orange warning for heavy rainfall now given for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, and also over Bihar along with Assam and Meghalaya. All these places very heavy rainfall is forecasted for day 3. Yellow warning for heavy rainfall is given for Jammu Kashmir, East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, and also for northeastern states and coastal Karnataka and Kerala in South India. So all these places yellow warning continues. Thunderstorm warning is given given only for Marathwada and Madhya Maharashtra and North Indian Karnataka, also over Madhya Pradesh and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir, yellow warning for all these places. For day 4, orange warning for most of the northern states such as Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. All these places heavy with very heavy rainfall. Orange warning is issued for all these places. For heavy rainfall warning for Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and also northeastern states, yellow warning for heavy rainfall is given, and strong surface wind warning is also given for Karnataka Rayalaseema, especially for day 4 and day 5 also. For day 5, heavy rainfall warning, orange warning is only given for Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Apart from that, neighboring area, only heavy rainfall warning is given, such as Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, northeastern states and also over Chhattisgarh. And coastal Andhra Pradesh, only thunderstorm warning is given, yellow warning for all these places. For day 6, orange warning, heavy to very heavy rainfall only given for Himachal Pradesh and West Uttar Pradesh. And the rest of the North India, it is only heavy rainfall, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, then Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and all the northeastern states, yellow warning for heavy rainfall. Strong surface wind warning continues for interior Karnataka for day 7 also. And for day 7, most of the northern states and northern states, heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places. Yellow warning is given for all these places such as Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and northeastern states. That's all for today. For more details and updates, please log on to our website and also download our Mausam app. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.